Hello, my name is Siok Sunwar and my student ID is 20251119, and this is my demonstration for my CSY 2089 web programming assignment number 2. For this assignment, I was required to improve an existing recruitment website called Joe's Jobs. The client requested 10 major changes while also requiring the website to become more maintainable, secure, and easier to extend in the future. During this demonstration, I will show each of the requested features and briefly explain how they have been implemented. So this is the main page. Visitors are directed here. And for the first requirement, I have updated the copyright. The first request was to update the outdated copyright notice. If I scroll down this page, we can see the copyright year has been updated from the original 2017 to current year. This ensures the website appears up to date for the visitors. For the requirement number 2, which is careers advice page, the client requested a new careers advice page. This is the careers advice page. From the navigation menu, I can open the careers advice page. This page provides a useful guidance for job seekers, including interview preparation, CV writing, and career tips while matching the existing design of the website. For requirement number 3, we have dynamic categories, which originally, whenever an administrator created a new category, it never opened on the public website because the navigation menu was hard coded. Inside categories, we can see all the available categories. If a new category is added, it automatically appears through the website, including the navigation menu. Here it is. I can go to the admin page and add new categories. This is the main admin page, and if I go to the category section, here I can manage edit categories and delete categories, or even add new category. Uh, all of this was achieved by loading categories directly from database instead of hard coding them into multiple pages. For requirement number 4, we have archiving the jobs. Instead of permanently deleting jobs, the client wanted the ability to archive them. If I go to the admin page, here is the archive jobs. Currently, there are no archive jobs, but if I go to the job section and click on archive, it gets transported to the archive jobs section where you can repost or delete it. Archive jobs are removed from the public website but remain stored in the database. Whenever needed, an archive job can be restored without re-entering all its information. This prevents accidental data loss while making reposting much easier. For requirement number 5, we have improved job management. The next requirement involved improving the administrator's job list. The job table now includes additional information. Here it is, such as the job category. I can filter jobs by categories, or I can filter it to all categories to show all the current jobs that are listed. And I can also delete the jobs that I have received. It is gone from the job section. These improvements make managing large numbers of vacancies significantly easier. For requirement number 6, uh, we have the public job filtering. I can filter the jobs over here. I can insert the title, or I can filter it by location here. Instead of scrolling through every vacancy, users can quickly find jobs matching their interests. For requirement number 7, we have staff user accounts. For now, each staff member has an individual accounts. First, first the administrators can create accounts, remove users while staff leave, and each user logs in their own username and password, which I can log in from here. This greatly improves security and accountability. For requirement number 8, we have client accounts. The client also requested separate accounts for the employees, and employees can now log into their own restricted area. Inside this area, clients can inside this area, clients can create job advertisements, edit their own jobs, and view applicants for their vacancies, while being prevented from viewing or modifying jobs belonging to other clients. This role-based access control ensures data privacy between different companies. For requirement number 9, we have closing soon jobs. The homepage now displays jobs that are closing soon. Here we have an example. This is the job that is very close to expiring, so it is at the top. This jobs uh, the list updates automatically as jobs are added or their closing dates change. Uh, Let me add a new job. Mm, I can add a job through the add jobs button, and I can add job from the add job button and click the title here as mm, I can write in. As you can see here, the job closing soon has been updated as uh, this job is at the top of the list because it is closing sooner than the this one here. For requirement number 10, contact inquiry system. Previously, the contact page only displayed contact information. It has now been replaced with a fully functional inquiry system. As you can see, users can enter full name, surname, email, telephone, and inquiry. The inquiry is stored in the database. I'm going to fabricate a new inquiry here. As you can see, the inquiry has been received. And as I log into the admin, I can see the inquiries section. It has all the inquiries that the users have sent. This is the latest inquiry, and I can mark complete, and it shows that it has been handled by the admin. We can view inquiries, respond to the customers, and mark inquiries as completed and see which member of the staff has handled each inquiry. This provides a complete record of customer communication. I have made code improvements besides implementing the Client requirements. A significant amount of work was carried out to improve the code quality. The project was restructured to improve maintainability and reduce duplicated code. Reusable classes were introduced along with a cleaner architecture. Database interactions were also organized into reusable components rather than repeating SQL throughout multiple pages. Common layouts and functionalities were used whenever possible, making future maintenance much easier. Security was also improved through the use of prepared statements, user authentication, and better separation of responsibilities. These improvements make the application easier to extend and align with good PHP development practices. To conclude, this project successfully fulfills the client's request changes while significantly improving the quality of the underlying code. The application is now more secure, easier to maintain, easier to extend in the future, and provides a much better experience for both administrators and clients. Thank you for watching my video demonstration.